Hi loves, and welcome to my channel. My name is Ricky. I look different and I know I'm a makeup artist based in Abuja, Nigeria. This channel is dedicated to beauty and lifestyle. To my returning subscribers, thank you for always looking forward to watch my videos. If you are coming across my channel for the first time, don't just hit the like button. Make sure you subscribe to get a notification whenever there's a new video uploaded. So let's go straight into the topic of today. So on this video, if you know you have someone who has body odor, if you have body odor, or you've been advised to use a deodorant before, this video is for you. I am not doing this video to spite anybody or to offend anybody. I feel it's time for us to start, taking care of ourselves, taking our hygiene seriously. Body odor is not a death sentence, because I've seen people with body odor and I wonder what causes body odor. Why do people have body odor? And in my latest research, I actually experimented myself and I realized that body odor is a man-caused disease. If you don't take care of yourself, you are one step away from having body odor. So this is a topic that is very dear to me because I've seen people lose opportunities, relationships, friendships just because of body odor. I was wondering what is going on. How can this be cured? And I've been carrying out a research while people are telling me body odor is a genetical disease, is something that is from inside. Too many stories that does not add up. So I decided to know what it means to have body odor and the causes of body odor. I know people that smell a lot, and I know people that have complained a lot that whenever they are in public transport, this thing choke them. My sense of smell is not that strong, but when it comes to the body odor, my nose packs everything and it's not a good feeling. It's not a good thing. So I decided to know what causes it and why, because I wanted to be in their shoes. I wanted to be in your shoes. To those that have body odor, I wanted to know what it feels like. Let it not be that I just sit in the comfort of my home, but just because God has gifted me with a good body and a good fragrance, and then I'm there just castigating people. So this is not funny, but it's actually funny because I went extreme to know why people have body odor, to know why people smell, to know why people don't smell nice no matter the amount of perfume they pour on their body. This is it. So I stopped using perfume and deodorant, and I was smelling fine till it get to some point where I started smelling like fish. My smell was okay for a week, and then the second week I started smelling somehow, and I realized that okay, it's because I've not been using perfumes or deodorant. The next thing that came to mind was perfume. When they say people are smelling and people say spray perfume, to be honest, I feel like perfume doesn't do much when it comes to eradicating body odor. It does not stop much. It does not do much. So I started spraying my perfume, and then the second week, oh my God, I was smelling bad. I was smelling like rotten fish, like something rotten. I can't even raise my underarm like this. If I'm in the public transport, I always look around, looking at people's faces to see their reaction. And their reaction was never good, just because I was not smelling nice. And I kept on with the experiment. I wanted to see how far this can get. Now, I have perfumes. I have perfume oil. I have other perfumes too that I can spray. I started spraying perfume to see how far it can go, or how I can use this to manage this body odor. Guess what? If I spray perfume, once I have my bath and I spray perfume, I smell nice, I smell normal. But just give it few hours, I'll start oozing. Even I cannot explain, but I was like, but I spray perfume. What is going on? Why can't I smell nice? Why can't I smell good? Right? because to an average Nigerian, once you spray perfume, you are meant to be smelling nice. So I kept on with this thing. I wanted to know how far perfume can actually go with body odor. Then I started bathing 3 times daily, because the moment I get home, I need to bath. Even if I don't go out in the afternoon, I need to have my bath. In the night, I need to have my bath, just to, in order not to make the people around me very uncomfortable. I started using body spray plus the perfume. It got worse until I decided that, okay, I'll add deodorant, which I finally did. And then I stopped smelling. Within few hours, I stopped smelling. You can actually curb body odor. Meaning body odor is not a terminal disease. Meaning body odor is something that you cause on your own. Now, while I'm also talking about perfumes and deodorant, I can assure you that we all have fragrance. Like, each individual have their fragrance. Some fragrance are good, some are not too good. So if you notice that your fragrance is not that kind of fresh fragrance, the one that cannot go a day without smelling, you need to take proper care of yourself. If you notice you have a body odor even while you are still using perfume, it occurred to me that using perfume alone is not enough. Body odor is not something hard. It's not because I want to underrate anybody. I'm just concerned about how far this thing can go. How far this thing can make you lose people, lose friends. The one thing that amazed me in all of this is, during this period of experiments, nobody close to me called me to order to tell me I was smelling. Not my friends, not in the office, not even at home. And I wonder why people were not telling me. Nobody told me anything. If I pull my clothes, I smell it, it smells bad. Nobody has told me this, not even at home. And I learned a lesson from this. You can be stupid and your loved ones will not tell you. I don't know. Because yes, why would I be smelling and no one told me? Although it may not be out of hatred, it could be that they love you too much and they don't want to hurt you. Somebody should have told me. So if you are smelling around and nobody ever told you anything about your fragrance, and somebody summoned courage, whether the person is your friend or the person is your enemy or the person is someone that you don't even know at all, they summoned courage to tell you that, look, this is how you smell. Please, I beg you in the name of God, stop taking that person as your enemy. That person is the real person that actually loves you, because the person actually wants you to change. That was something better to change for you. I don't know if I am making sense, but body odor is a man-made odor. And if you know somebody that smells bad, kindly tell the person. And I've come to notice something. These people hardly take advice. I'm sorry. When you tell them, some will even give you an excuse like, the body spray give cancer. I don't know where they get that from. At this age, is there anything that cannot give cancer? We don't even know what can give cancer. Sansotan died cancer of the throat. He doesn't smoke, he doesn't drink, he doesn't womanize, he did not live a reckless life. Yet he had cancer of the throat, and that was what killed him, right? So why so careful? Why so careful and then lose people, lose relationship, lose opportunities for the fear of the unknown, something that has not even happened to somebody that you know? So all I'm trying to say is, we should learn to take care of ourselves. We should learn to stay hygienic. It's part of hygiene. As a man, if you smell and I try to advise you and you don't change and I'm dating you, I'll break up with you. And I want to believe it's also like that if you're a lady and you are smelling. It's so bad that some men will not advise you. They just walk away. They will not tell you why they are walking away. They might just find one flimsy excuses or something. They just move. Okay. I want to show you something, but before we go, if you have not liked this video, kindly like, so that algorithm can take this video to anybody that needs to see this. This is what I'm talking about. These were the perfumes I was using. I have the Seduction in Black. I have Dorothy, and this is Creed Aventus body oil. This is a real body oil. I shared it with someone, so this is mine. I was using this thing. I was using this in the course of trying to experiment, and then I realized that no matter how expensive your perfume is, see, it cannot stop you from smelling. If this guy is missing, this is deodorant. If your underarm, it is called armpit for a reason, meaning that place is closed from morning till evening. You are going to sweat under your arm. So many things is going to happen there. No ventilation. So you need something to actually control the odor coming out of that place. If this guy is missing, these ones are useless. And it's so bad that if you are sweating and you spray any of this, it brings out the odor more. If you spray perfume on your underarm, by the time you start sweating, you will not like it. You will smell bad. And then while in the course of this research, I also noticed something. While I was using all of this, I was still smelling. But the moment I added this, that smell stopped. So I stopped these ones, and I was using this alone. I was using it alone. Guess what? I was smelling normal. I may not smell nice, like I may not have good perfume fragrance, but I was not smelling bad. My natural smell, which is my natural fragrance, was coming out nice. Meaning you can't do without this, but you can actually do without these ones. If you are broke, I would recommend you buy this instead of perfume oil. And it's so bad that somebody will go and buy all those perfume oil and they feel like, I smell nice. You won't smell nice. When you're sweating, you'll be smelling like fish. I hope that was helpful. I hope you've been able to learn one or two from this. Like I said, if this video offends you, I am sorry. I apologize from the bottom of my heart. I'm so sorry. I hope this video has been helpful, and I hope you liked. And to those who are coming across my channel for the first time, and I hope you have clicked the subscribe button and share to the necessary people. And I'll recommend you share this on your status for to the people that needs to see this. See you in my next video. Bye.